All right, so this question asks to find the resulting velocity of mass A, um, given that mass A, which is 10 kilograms, is traveling west at 8 meters per second and collides inelastically with mass B, 30 kilograms, which is traveling east at 4 meters per second. Um, so, uh, in an inelastic collision, um, meaning two masses that collide and then stick together, uh, we get this equation, um, mass A times velocity A plus mass B times velocity B equals mass A plus mass B times velocity of the two masses. Um, so given that equation, we can then apply this, plug in the numbers. And one thing to make sure about this is whenever we're giving vectors, meaning the directions of speeds, because the velocity is a vector, make sure that the signs are appropriately given. So west means that the object is traveling to the left, and left on a x and y grid is always negative. So here you represent this vector as -8, as shown here. And east is going to the right. So right is represented as a positive vector, represented right here. So plug in the numbers, 10 kilograms for mass A, times the velocity for mass A, which is -8, plus mass B, which is 30 kilograms, times the velocity of mass B, which is 4 meters per second, going to the east. So that's positive, equal the resultant of the two mass added together, 10 plus 30, times their combined velocity after the collision. So you can kind of visualize this as everything before the equal sign to the left of it is before the collision, and everything to the equal sign to the right of the equal sign is after the collision. And this is an inelastic collision, again, meaning that when the two masses collide, they will stick together and go either one direction if it's on the 2D plane. So then you solve for the velocity of the uh, um, two masses after the collision, and you get 1 meters per second, and it's +1, so it's east. And it says show the direction after the collision. So it's positive, which again means it's going to the right, and right is east. So I hope this helped. And message me with any more questions about physics. Thank you.